is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the San Jose Police Department. On December 15, 2019, at 10 p.m., Bethany Carranza was abducted from San Jose, California. Bethany Carranza is a 2-year-old Hispanic female, 3 feet tall, weighing 30 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect, Victor Magana, is a 24-year-old Hispanic male, standing 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighing 140 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. The suspect was last seen driving a 2007 light green Hyundai Santa Fe, with California license plate number 7XJX025. If seen, call 911.